In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve deleted or voided transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you've accidentally deleted or voided a transaction in QuickBooks Online, don't worry. There's a handy way to retrieve it, and I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface, where you'll find the familiar gear icon. This is your gateway to a variety of settings and management tools. Give that a click, and a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Audit Log. This feature is incredibly useful as it keeps a detailed record of all the activities and changes that occur within your QuickBooks Online account. Think of it as your account's personal historian. Once you're in the audit log, you'll be presented with a list of all the activities in your QuickBooks Online. And there can be a lot going on here. To streamline this process and home in on the specific transactions you're interested in, you'll need to use the Events drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the options available, select Deleted or Voided Transactions. This filter will narrow down the log to only show activities where transactions have been deleted or voided, saving you plenty of time. Now, with this list before you, you can see all the transactions that have been affected, providing transparency into your previously lost data. The next step is to find the transaction that you want to bring back. Once you've located it, there's an option called View next to the entry. Click on View to proceed. This action will open up further details about the selected transaction. To resurrect this transaction, you'll want to select Copy to New. This is a crucial step because it allows you to take all the details from the deleted or voided transaction and create a new one with the same type and information. It's like breathing new life into something you thought was lost forever. QuickBooks will handle the creation seamlessly, ensuring that all the original details are preserved in this new transaction. And just like that, the process is complete. Your transaction is retrieved and ready for you to continue managing it as part of your business finances. By following these steps, you can ensure that accidental deletions or voids won't disrupt your accounting accuracy. Thank you for watching. Now you have the confidence to handle deleted or voided transactions with ease. If this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.